In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a widely used platform for work management, and if you're looking to print from it, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, head over to your Smartsheet workspace or home. It's important to start here so you can easily navigate to the sheet you want to print. Once you're in your workspace, locate and open the specific sheet that you need a hard copy of. With your sheet open, your next step is to access the print option. You can do this by heading over to the File menu. Once there, select Print, or alternatively you can use the shortcut key if you're familiar with it. This will trigger your browser's print window to appear, providing you with a preview of what your sheet will look like once printed, alongside various print settings. Now it's time to set your print options. You'll need to decide whether you want to print the entire sheet or just specific rows. This can be particularly useful if you only need a part of the sheet for your records. Next, choose the orientation. Depending on how your data is structured, you might prefer a landscape or portrait layout. Don't forget to select the proper paper size to match your printer's capabilities. There are additional options you can adjust, such as including a logo and the sheet name in the printout, which might be useful for presentation purposes or documentation. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click OK to move forward. This action opens the preview. Take a moment here to review everything once more on the preview screen. If everything checks out, proceed by clicking on the print icon situated in the top right corner. This directs you to the printer selection stage. At this stage, you'll need to select your printer. Additionally, decide which pages you want to print if you're working with a multi-page document. Choose whether you want to print in color or black and white based on the content and your printing needs. You'll also see an option called More Settings. It's a good idea to click on this to further configure the paper size, number of pages per sheet, and scaling options. Adjust these settings to ensure it fits your document correctly on a physical page. Finally, once you're confident everything is set up the way you like it, go ahead and click on Print. This will start the printing process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of printing from Smartsheet. Remember, each step is crucial, from selecting the right portion of the sheet to finalize those print settings. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Until next time.